Hello everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. I've been driving a truck for 25 years out here on the road. My first truck I drove was like a 96, 97 Kenworth. I think it was a T600 Anteater. I think it had a 9-speed transmission. Detroit. Used to use a lot of oil. I remember that. My dad couldn't believe I put gallon of oil in it all the time. You know, most cars, it was a quart. You know, here I'm putting a gallon, maybe 2 gallons of oil in it. But in 25 years, there's a lot of things I've seen out here on the road. Idiot maneuvers, crazy speeding, motorcycles doing 120 plus, weaving through traffic, cutting down the middle of traffic. Cars and trucks trying to see how close they can get to somebody's hood without hitting it. You know, my other videos, dash cam videos, I'd say, well, this guy here was 37 feet and such. This company reached out, AliExpress, and they asked if I wanted to do a review on one of their cameras. They do have some budget models, so you can get a dash cam kind of cheap. And we know how the economy is. Cheap is the way to go sometimes. So I'm going to have this unboxing now of AliExpress of this model, and I'll leave the links down below if you want to get it yourself. And I'm going to put it in. I'm going to start running 2 cameras so you can get different views. But first, let's unbox this. Cue that intro. All right, this is the package I got from AliExpress. I've already opened it up. And here's this. They even sent a 128 gigabyte SD card. Most cameras do not send you this. And you can pause and read. All right, here is the box. Azdome. Reason I got it is this little camera right here. Let you read everything is on the box. Like I said, this is from AliExpress. The model is V600. Enjoy your smart driving. And I'll take still photos of all this. All right, let's open the box. Here's the camera. Remove before recording. Here's the screen. So this will record me and record out. Little package to hide the wires. Here's the other camera. And the charge cord. And that paperwork. Like I said, this is everything that comes in the box. The camera. The tool wire holders. Power plug. And the wiring and all for the other camera. Like I said, this one's going to go on my, so you can see how fast somebody and how close somebody is while driving. And this is the camera itself, not that big. It will have a camera facing me, a camera facing out, and the other one. And you can pause to read. All right, here's the Azdome V600 dash cam. Come to find out, it don't use a suction cup. It uses like a 3M type glue, and you slide it on off. That's what this is an extra pad. So once you set this, you better make sure it's right. But the camera for out is right there. Here's the camera for in. But let's go ahead and put the SD card in. It's right there at the top. Thankfully, they sent me the SD card. If I can get it out of the package. It's smaller than the ones I'm used to. Let's see if I put it right the first time. Alright, so it's in. This will be most likely for the power. And like I said, this is for the other camera. And I'll put that on in a minute. So first, make sure this is set. That's locked in, so all I have to do is peel it and stick. I might not have to put it on the glass. We'll see where I put it. But first, let's format and set everything up. All right, let's plug it in for the first time. Please format SD card, okay? You gonna give me the option to format the card? That's the power on and off is right here. That's the switch to different modes. All right, so you hit this button here, resolution, loop recording. Let's do 1 minute loops. You can turn the inner camera on or off. And let's turn it on. Beep. Turn it off. Record auto is off. I don't want you. All right, today is the 25th. It is March. I think today's the 21st. Let me check. Yes, today is March 21st. It is 11:15. I have everything set at Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Language. English. Yes. Volume. Off. I don't want to hear it beeping and screaming. And frequency. Yeah, okay. I don't know. Understand all that. Screensaver. Off. Auto. Whatever that is. G-center. Middle. Okay. Exposure. Date stamp on. Format SD card. Yes. So we're formatting the SD card. It is now complete. Okay. And you could change what camera you want. So it's all recorded. It's all set up. Let's see where we're going to put it on the truck. There it is, installed. I just found out this dash cam ain't going to work for me. I don't carry a laptop with me. I got one at the house. This does not have Wi-Fi capability to be able to use the app to watch and download a video like that one. So this is a no-go for me. I wish I'd known that before I put it on the windshield. And right there. So the V600 does not have Wi-Fi capability, so you cannot hook it up to the app. You have to pull that card to download. Being a truck driver, don't carry a laptop, it will not work. Great. Unfortunately, I cannot run this dash cam because I do not have a card reader to be able to pull clips. On my other ones, it's Wi-Fi capability, so I can scroll back and say, oh, that's my clip, and save it to the phone. I do everything on the road on my cell phone. All my YouTube, it's on my cell phone. And the third camera, when I want to point it to my dash to show how close somebody is, this is what I wanted it to show on the third camera, which it was going to be mounted right here, and show how far it's fast somebody is over here. And that camera was always upside down. I turned it the other way, it still was upside down. So I want to thank Azdome, Temu, etc. for sending me this dash cam to do the review. Unfortunately, I do not have any clips of me driving with that dash cam because I have no way to download clips. I need something easy out here driving a truck. Where now I'm in the dock sitting and waiting to get unloaded. I do everything on YouTube on my cell phone. Like I said, the cons was permanently stuck to windshield. It's not suction cup. Suction cup is the way to go in a truck, semi-truck. Because we do 140,000 miles a year. Sometimes we go through 2 or 3 windshields a year. Been there, done that. But I will leave the link for Temu down below. I think it's like $55, maybe cheaper for you to buy that dash cam. If not be able to Wi-Fi connect to the camera, you have to pull that SD card to read the camera, is good for you. Like I said, do not have any clips of it using it. And on that third camera where it was upside down, every time I wanted to show that was my biggest cons was the way it sticks to the windshield, not way to Wi-Fi connect to an app. But thank you again for sending me the camera. If this camera suits your needs, like I said, the link will be down below. Thank you for sending me this. You all have a great day. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. This is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. I'm out.